How's it going right there, eh? It's Denis here from Denis Loves You Outdoors. Just got my 3 pontoons. I just dumped them off the dump trailer. Got a bunch of junk in there. I just went and picked them up. So these are 16-inch diameter pipe that are 16 feet long. So I bought the pipe used. They were old salmon cages. And then I brought them to a company and they welded these tabs on for me. So on the very ends, in the front and the back, they put a double tab, and then they put gussets, double gussets on them. And they have a gap in there. I think it's about a little over 4 inches. So what you do is you run a 4x4 right across, and then you should have a little gap because of the expansion and contraction of the pipe. They're saying that a 50-foot length of pipe will stretch in the summer about 4 inches. So this is less than half of that. So, we're talking probably like an inch to 2 inch stretch in these pipe in the summertime, from summer to winter. So what I'll do is I'll have a little bit of a gap. For some reason they welded a double tab on that one, which is no big deal, I guess. And then the middle ones, so about every 4 feet there's a gusset or tab, and then on the ends they're chamfered or cut at a 45. So this will be the front of the pontoon boat, or raft or wharf. It's going to be like a multifunctional deal. So it's going to be used as either a dock or kind of like a barge, or like a raft, I guess. So at the very back end, so I'm going to have 4x4s running crossways, and then 4x4s running the other way on top of those. And then I'll have a 1-inch cedar deck, and then that whole outside will be all wrapped with a 2x8 or 2x9 to enclose the whole thing. And then I'll have like galvanized or stainless steel angles pieces to help reinforce it and hold it. And then at the very front, I want to build some type of gangway or like a ramp that I can raise or lower. So if I want to drive my 4-wheeler or haul logs from the new property that we're buying, I can do that. So I bought these pipe used. I think I paid $2 a foot. And then this one piece, they cut it too short. So there was a spliced piece, or I guess this is a T that they use, which connects a vertical part to the salmon cages. And so I got an extra one of those, and then they could have butt welded it, but it cost more for them to do that. So quite pleased. Whoa. They double checked them, they pressure tested them for me. There's a little bit of wear on them, from use, I guess. And it's pretty thick pipe. It's actually thicker than a 1/2 inch. I don't know what it is actually. That's an extra piece that I had. Yeah, so that worked out all right. It actually fell out pretty good. Yeah, they say this stuff's pretty strong. I'm not sure in the cold weather. Obviously I won't be using it in the cold. So my plan is on the back end, I'm just going to have an old outboard on it, and I can just kind of start it up, putt around, and with the deck on it. And I'm going to build some type of 4x4s, like some type of shack on top of it with a roof that I can kind of walk right through, and that can be screened in. So in the summertime, if it's really buggy out, you can kind of get out of the bugs. Anyhow, my plan is I'm getting my tractor today. I'm going to use the tractor and load this onto another trailer I have, and then over the winter I'm going to work on building So the mill's right there. I'm going to get some cedar. I got some cedar laying over there. I'll start milling some 4x4s and start piecing this together. And then when it's all done, I'll haul it up in one shot next summer or spring. Anyhow, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. That's the end there, eh?